Hi, I'm designer David Meister, and welcome to my Palm Springs retreat. This is a 1970s house built by the well-known architect here in Palm Springs, Stan Sackley. Not only do you get to see my amazing home, you also get to see my amazing holiday decorations that I've just finished putting up. So let's go inside, come on in, and I will show you around. As a fashion designer, I really think a home should be an extension of your personality. And when we started the house, we really wanted this house to be sexy and modern and a touch of Michelle Pfeiffer from Scarface. And you know exactly what I mean. So this is really one of our favorite places in the house and one that really a lot of our friends enjoy with us. It's white, silver, leather, some black accents. Behind me, we have the 11-foot white Christmas tree. Like what? We were gonna put in a green traditional spruce with some gingerbread men? Don't think so, kill me. And there are some tricks also when you're putting up a tree like this. Like we wired the silver ornaments together in clusters of 3. It makes it much more interesting, gives it much more depth. Also in the room, we have our lovely little silver tin soldier nutcrackers. And then we have put another wreath on the fireplace on the mirror. And of course the stockings, but my stockings are bugle beaded. So together it all adds up for a great look, fits the personality of the house, fits the personality of us, and it still has that same edge and vibe that we are looking for. Welcome to my slice of heaven. And any given day, you will find me here around 5 or 6, shaking my martini right before I hit the pool. And this is really the great place where all of our friends hang out. This is the center of a party. And for the holidays, we have this giant, oversized menorah. I think simple, big, modern, make a statement, go big or go home. With all this great alcohol, we're gonna need some food, so let's head over to the dining room. There are a couple things that I think are really important to dining rooms. A circle table, very important when you're dining because people can interact. One of my favorite features is the mirrored ceiling. Personally, I would mirror all the ceilings in this house. It's just kind of fabulous. We have a great Christmas tree because no entertaining room for the holidays should be unadorned. That to me is personally very offensive. The most important thing about this room is my Christmas crazy train because no one should have a holiday meal without being circled by a beautiful silver train while they dine. Who needs dessert? That's dessert. This is the essence of Palm Springs modern living. Besides being surrounded by the beautiful mountains, the great sun, and the palm trees, you've got everything here from the intimate cocktail area by the fire pit, which I love, and then you have the dining table if you want to serve dinner. And then the most important feature for me, floating on the pool, watching the outdoor television in surround sound, and calling it a day. Thank you so much for joining us here today. I hope you had a great time and some fun taking a look at my personal little slice of heaven. And now I'm gonna kick all of you out so I can go hit the pool.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?